Hi, my name is Manuela and I have running this makeup therapy channel here on YouTube, making chatty makeups and trying to encourage everyone to just find a new way, maybe to be creative and be nice to yourself. Um, Art is a great way to take a space away from the problems, and I think that even sometimes when it's really looking scary and cruel, it's really a getaway to a bunch of emotions. For me, one of the forms is makeup. That's why I name my channel this way. And today I'm doing the Flashback Friday. Flashback Friday, it's my little stereo where I'm putting the in the order where I was using on the beginning of my channel, existing my channel, a palette, and obviously this is the palette which I still own in my collection. And today it's a palette from Beauty Bay. I have a grand collection from Beauty Bay. I have to say, through this few years, there is no reasonable excuse why I have them even. This is the Nikki Tutorials collaboration with them, I don't know, the temple or something like that. And I really like this palette. I will tell you, I didn't have any bad feelings about it. I like it, and I enjoy it not once. And I even bought it for my, I don't like maybe the packaging, the way it's kind of shiny on the mirrors, but this is the color story. It has like lighter colors with the pastel blue and the peachy orange, and then this kind of darker where we can find the neutral heavy obviously is that palette, but we have a little green, little blue, and some kind of purple. I would say like towards of burgundy purple, that kind of purple. But I think it's clever. You can match the purple with the blue and having that more bluish purple, and then also you can combine light pink with this blue, light blue, and create a purplish vibe. You know, it's like lots of options here. So today I will be doing the look, and I think that I will be doing look like I will try to be like more summerish and try to use the pinks and oranges, and I will use also the Beauty Creation base in the color, oh my god, pastel. This is pastel paint, but the color, I don't know, cupcake. I know now. So I will prime my eyes with this goods for the first time, and then I will do with you some look, for sure, including this kind of warm, lovely tones. Okay, I have you a little closer, and I will take the shade. Oh my, that will be the. I don't know. I'll show you this shade here, and I will try to write these names while I'm editing. It will be much easier for me, and I hope that you are comfortable with this form of information. Maybe even better than. So this one I will kind of put as a base, this shade. I think it's very pretty, and I think that I don't completely remember which type of look I did the last time, but this one will be quick, and I will keep that quick and easy. I think that this peachy fuzz kind of vibe is actually more on trend now. So obviously it's this kind of delay from Pantheon to the large public, and I see lots of people does this peachy looks because they are very flattering, and all of skins are looking quite good. You can always adjust more pink or more orange with that looks, and find your sweet spot. And they look very natural. You're putting bunch of color and still looking kind of like the color is not that, you know, not shooting you from the distance like with blues or with greens. These colors are more, you are not probably having it that much in the skin complexion. So this is, but I will put that quite a lot. So I don't want to pretend that I have rosy eyes. Alright, so rich application of this color. It's very pretty. I think that it will be also my blush. I was using this color already as a blush. I'll put also here a little bit just just to even it. Yeah, so this is my start. I bought this palette for all of my sisters. I really like it, and I completely didn't understand this bunch of bad words to that palette. Maybe there was some different batches or something, I don't know, but I got mine pretty fast. I got it with the, I don't know, there was something gifted from Nikki, so I was no, I'll go to this shade, this kind of favorite shade of mine. That purple to Bordeaux I really like. Now I'll put from my lower up, and I'll just, because we have this pink base, it will be like easy to blend. And definitely that kind of shade can be patchy or making like boo-boo, like purples, but if you put some base under, then problem is kind of limited. It's looking very fast, very cute. I think this shade is very cute together with the first one. I'll put that closer to the my lash line. And up. Trying to keep it in the round shape today. My eyes are rather almond shape, and they are hoodie. So this one is above my natural crease, this kind of roundness. And I'm trying to make the roundest point a little bit, not in my natural place, because that would be here, just a little bit, like 1/3 a length of my eyes on the outer corner, so the rounder place is like catching up with my brow arch. If that has any sense, and help you, write me in the comment if my explanation getting to you. I think that with hoodie eyes you can still, and even when you have mandel eyes, you can still play around with the shapes. It's still possible. It's not that very easy, maybe. Taking like slimmer brush for blending, and I will take that brown. I'm thinking that I'll take this one. And very gently on this brush, like very gently application. I also I want to kind of in the front put that on the edge with my future base, and deepening just here. So I'll have this eye like rounder. At least I hope. I was not very, I'm quite good with mathematics, but geometric was not 100% my favorite. Not because of calculating, but because of drawing. So, can you believe? And I'm here doing you shape information. How fun is that? Alright, we have this, I like that, and then we'll take some maybe shimmers. I didn't use this palette for a long time, so I don't know what kind of condition they have. But I think that I want to keep it sweet and easy, so this is like a peachy gold. Maybe I'll do this orange. This is this shade here. I'm also showing myself and my future self when I will be editing what was that shade. And I will just apply straight to my lid, keeping it in that kind of closer to the higher point, that new higher point. Be sure that this is the higher point. So fresh, so easy. I was watching a very nice creator in Polish language, and she was using the, I don't know, liquid eyeshadows, but also like a pinky kind of shade, and she is a makeup artist, and she said that generally that you can use that kind of colors and they will not make much difference to other shadows. So if you have like a pinkish base, you can use it practically every time, and it will not bring too much distraction to your looks. I will clean this brush, my handy towel, microfiber towel, that's what I'm using. And maybe this, I don't know, the orange will be very classic look. Oh, we have light peach also here, we have this color which is light, we have this one which is like a little icy. It will look good too. Maybe just simply, you know, I am that kind of person who's telling you that I will do this one, that I will do something simply, and then I want to do something actually a little bit wow. So yeah, it's nice to see you here. Oh, this is not that too much wow, it is just very nice. You see this without undo it. I like that so much. It's very pretty together. Where else I can put this eyeshadow now, I'm thinking, but I think that will be it. I'll fix my face and show you final look. This is my final look using this, where is she? Blah, 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 blah. Flashback Friday with the palette from Beauty Bay, together with Nikki tutorials. I use mainly bright side, oh no, the dark color. Okay, I use all over just 4 shades or 5. Sorry, maths. And I add a little bit liner from this P. Louise palette. I haven't got it from the second hand, but it was brand new, and I really enjoyed this palette. I have brown and I have this neutral purple, and if I will see, I will buy even the other one. Very good quality, love them. And I use 2 shades from that. I use like an aubergine and that kind of brightest pink, which is a little bit corally. For my lips, it was combination of magenta lipstick together with lip liner from MUA, and the lip liner is like brownish, and then I top it up with the lip oil from P. Louise. I got it, it's like that, it doesn't have a blue color, but maybe a little bit of blue shine. And on my cheeks also you can find this blush together with the eyeshadows. I mix also this orange shade, and I use 2 highlighters from this palette. Lash Princess mascara, a yellow liner from Beauty Bay, that's basically, and the brow are from pencil in the shade dark from Lacquer. Combination of foundations, it's a mix, it doesn't match anything, but it's alright. I hope that you enjoyed this episode of Flashback Friday. How do you like this series? Or write me in the comment, I don't know. I want to continue because it's kind of fun. Sometimes I'm watching the previous looks first, sometimes later. This time it will be later, but I will try to link for you too. And tell me, what do you think? Do you like that kind of looks? Do you like that? Did you have this palette? Did you like it? I know it's also maybe, you know, it's just a memories, but I like it, and yeah, and I will enjoy it still a little bit more. I see that it's working very well, and this base is also so far interesting. It doesn't do anything much, like it's not gluey, it's drying very fast, and I will see how much it will crease in the later day. It's warm for us, it's sunny, so it will be a great test for myself. Then I can share with you how it survived in my next use. All right, I will wish you very fabulous, gorgeous, amazing weekend full of sun, if you like sun, if you like me, or full of good vibe for you. Okay, that will be much better. And that I hope that you take care of yourself, just like in plane. You first, your oxygen first, so you can, you know, so you can be and you can enjoy to be. I will love you and leave you, and I hope that I will see you in my next video. Bye.